Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, we have already started central problems of an economy, and under central problems of an economy we have discussed what to produce in how much quantity. So beta, today just I will give you how much to write down, what should be the answer of the particular questions. This I am giving through you the notes. Now see beta, what to produce and how much quantity. We have seen that it was related with the problem of choice. An economy wants many things, but all these cannot be produced with the available resources. The problem of use of resources is further complicated because of alternative use of resources. Therefore, an economy has to choose what goods should be produced and what goods should not be. In other words, whether consumer goods should be produced or a producer's goods, whether necessities or luxuries, whether military goods or civil goods. After deciding which goods should be produced, society has to decide the quantity of each good to be produced. And we have already discussed what to produce is related with the problem of choice. And choice means what goods should be produced and what goods should not be produced. और बेटा मैंने आपको क्लासेस में बोली थी कि there are two type of goods, capital goods, consumer goods. And here we have also seen there are all necessities or luxuries, military goods, civil goods. What problem lies over here? There is a problem of choice, and moreover there is a shortage of resources. तो अब बेटा इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? तो दिस प्रॉब्लम कैन बी एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी शेड्यूल एंड प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व, जो कि मेरा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है. द गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल इन सॉल्विंग दिस प्रिंसिपल इज एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज in such a way that satisfies maximum wants in the society. ये बेटा हमने आपको पिछली बार बता दिया था. इसमें बेटा तीन चीजें काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. What to produce is related to the problem of choice. गुड्स को दो हिस्से में डिवाइड किया, कैपिटल गुड्स, कंज्यूमर गुड्स. नाउ बेटा वी हैव अनदर टाइप, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, एंड दिस इज द न्यू. This refers to technique to be used in producing goods and services. This choice is essential for making best possible use of limited resources in producing maximum goods and services. That means, beta, an economy has to select such technique which should be cost effective. An economy can choose between labor intensive technique of production. अब देखो बेटा, मैंने बोला था कंज्यूमर गुड्स. इफ यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू प्रोड्यूस कंज्यूमर गुड्स तो उसमें आपको लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक, मतलब मोर लेबर एंड लेस कैपिटल टू प्रोड्यूस गुड्स. सेकेंड बेटा क्या था? कैपिटल इंटेंसिव टेक्निक ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कैपिटल गुड्स में. तो कैपिटल इंटेंसिव मीन्स मोर कैपिटल एंड लेस लेबर टू प्रोड्यूस गुड्स. अब बेटा ये तो प्रॉब्लम है, इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? द गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल हेयर इज दैट only that technique should be employed which cause the least possible cost to produce each unit of a commodity or a service. बेटा लूजली स्पीकिंग जो हमने टेक्निक सेलेक्ट किया है, it should be cost effective. That's it. And the last problem is for whom to produce. मैंने बोला था बेटा this is related with the theory of functional distribution. Goods and services are produced especially for the people who can purchase them. And purchasing power depends mainly on distribution of national income among factors of production. Here, the problem is how goods produced by four agents of production, land, labor, capital and enterprise, we allocated among them in money terms. अब बेटा थ्योरी ऑफ फंक्शनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, इसका हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि इकोनॉमी में जितने भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं, एवरीबडी शुड गेट हिज मैक्सिमम आउटपुट। दैट मीन्स लूजली स्पीकिंग हिंदी में जिसको कहते हैं कि जो आदमी जितना मेहनत कर रहा है उसको उतना पैसा मिलना चाहिए। दिस इज नोन एज थ्योरी ऑफ फंक्शनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। द गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल in solving the problem is to fulfill the important and urgent wants of each consumer to the maximum possible extent. Economy should not produce only goods for the richest society, who will take care of the poorest of the poor. तो गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल क्या होगा कि goods should be distributed in such a manner that every section of the society should get his share from the total output produced by the economy. So, dear students, today we have finished the central problems of economy, and I have discussed with you what to produce, explain what to produce with the help of an example, 3 or 4 marks, how to produce with the help of an example, 3 or 4 marks, फॉर होम टू प्रोड्यूस 3 और 4 मार्क्स। और बेटा मैंने डिस्कस किया था आंसर शुड नॉट एक्सीड 60 वर्ड्स। तो वट एवर आई हैव गिवन यू द नोट्स, दिस इज इनफ फॉर द क्वेश्चंस। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू।